Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing out here doing another roof replacement. I wanted to talk to you today about a particular product, and as you can see here behind me, this homeowner has decided to go with an Atlas Stormmaster Shake Impact Resistant Shingle. Now, as you can tell by the name, Impact Resistant obviously reduces your odds of needing another roof replacement anytime in the near future when that inevitable storm hits us in North Texas, right? But in addition to that, a Class 4 Impact Resistant Shingle with most insurance carriers will actually get you a pretty substantial discount on your homeowner's insurance. So that's something to talk to your agent about. We love Atlas. We are not sponsored or compensated or incentivized in any way to promote a particular product. We've just seen really great results with our clients using this product, and so we highly recommend it to you. But there's a lot of Class 4 shingles out there. Talk to your insurance agent to see what benefit that may get you on your homeowner's insurance premium. And if you want a roof replacement or even just a free inspection, always check out bluenail.com, and we're happy to come out and make sure you're all in one piece. See you in the next video.